Hi, thank you for taking the time to go through my submission. Uh, the app that I built is called Papyri. Papyri comes from papyrus, meaning documents. So the problem that I'm trying to solve is the overloading of information. I'm a machine learning engineer. I work in computer vision and natural language processing stuff, and there's about like 100 new machine learning papers published every day, and that was in 2018. So there are wonderful papers I would love to read, but I just don't have the time to go through all of it. So that's the main reason why I created this app for people like me who would like to keep in touch with the latest research trends. So the solution is an application that lets users search scholarly articles, summarizes the article, and then provides a conversational platform to address any questions regarding the article. We'll go a little bit into detail in the demo, and for now this uses archive as the search platform, which will also be extended. So like I said, the audiences that I'm targeting are data scientists and machine learning engineers like myself who want to keep in touch with the latest research trends. I'm gonna skip this product and go into the competitions. So this is not a very unique product in the sense there are other services that does research summarization, but not really in research paper summarization, or provides a similar platform targeted at the audience that I am targeting. So let's jump into the live demo, and since I'm a machine learning engineer, I'm searching for machine learning papers, and not really happy with this one. I would like to get some more results. So let's see, let's go with the last updated, and let's get 5 results. Sort by descending. Okay, I'm gonna go with this paper because I'm kind of working on some object tracking problems at work. So let's hit summarize. It's loading. And there you go, get the summary. Yeah, the summaries needs some work, but it is a little bit more in depth than what you get in the abstract. And something that I'm really interested when I'm reading these papers are results or benchmarks, just to see if this paper would be worth following. So okay, this yeah, this is pretty good. So they have conducted 6 experiments on 6 benchmarks. And so let's say I want to look into the benchmarks. I don't need to go into the paper. I just can chat with the app, the bot, and ask for the benchmarks, and I would get the results here. So this is still under construction, and I'm working on this right now. So let's get back to the slides. So this is my architecture. I'm using Elastic Beanstalk container to host my web application. I'm also doing the search using the Beanstalk because I have a load balanced instances, so it is able to handle the traffic. So when the user clicks a paper he wants to summarize, that data gets transferred to the Amazon API gateway, which then transfers that data to the text extractor, which downloads the PDF, extracts it into text, and cleans the text and stores it in a S3 bucket, which then after this process is completed, I get back a 200, which then invocates the summary text, which invokes the Memphis's text summarizer endpoint, which returns the summary text. So after this whole session ends, the session data is again posted to the API gateway, which then gets stored in the S3, which invokes SNS, activates a lambda function, extracts the metadetails from the S3 to Aurora, which is temporarily the database I'm using. I'm planning to go with like a graph database after I implement the chat app. For now, it's extracting metadata from the JSON. Cool. The next steps is to finish up with the conversational platform. I did a small alpha test with some developers I know, but I want to do a larger market validation and then build a business model based on the market analysis.